Hello, my name is Jessica Staubenberg, and I am a Google for Education certified trainer and coach. Thank you for joining me. Today, I am showcasing one of my favorite apps, Kami. In this video, you'll discover how to transform your PDFs into interactive learning experiences using the Kami app. You'll learn how to use time-saving features like creating auto-graded questions, using AI-powered accessibility tools for differentiation, and integrating all of this seamlessly into your Google Classroom assignments. Whether you want to enhance your existing resources or find ready-to-use materials in the extensive Kami library, you'll walk away with practical strategies to boost student engagement and create new lesson resources that are ready to use with your students tomorrow. Follow along with me in this video. Pause the video to complete each step along the way. Let's get started. So what is Kami? The Kami app is an annotation tool that can help you save time and paper. You and your students can use it to highlight and annotate PDF text, generate comments and discussions, and even create signatures for e-documents. To get started, install the Kami Chrome extension. Click on the three dots in the Chrome browser. Select Extensions, and then visit the Chrome Web Store. Search for Kami for Google Chrome and click the Add to Chrome button to install the extension. Confirm that you want to add the extension by clicking Add Extension in the pop-up window. Next, locate the puzzle piece icon to manage your extensions. Find the Kami extension and click the pin icon to pin it to your Chrome toolbar for easy access. This will sit above your Chrome browser. Log into Kami by selecting Continue With, and you have options. You can continue with your Google account or your Microsoft account or your email. You may need to allow Kami access to your account. You may need to select all necessary permissions that Kami needs in order to work properly. When you open a PDF with Kami, you will see the Kami toolbar. It offers many features. If prompted, open your PDFs with Kami, and then your students and you will see the same toolbar on the left when you open with Kami. A helpful setting is to automatically load documents in Kami. Click Enable if you want this feature. Each PDF will automatically open in Kami for you with that handy toolbar so that you can immediately start using Kami. When you open the Kami app extension for the first time, you can be overwhelmed by how many resources there are in Kami. You can open files from Google Drive, your computer, OneDrive, or the Kami library. The Kami library on the right provides pre-created items, and the AI assessment section can enhance your existing materials using AI. You can even sign a Google Classroom assignment directly from here. Keep in mind that this is the teacher view, not the student view. So when we open the PDF and you saw the menu on the left showing the tools that you can use to annotate your PDF, that is what you and your students will see. But this is specific to what a teacher can view. When you click on the Kami library, it is searchable and allows you to filter the templates by subject and type to quickly find the resources. Whether you're using one of Kami's resources or your own, Kami's AI assessment features allow you to convert existing assessments into auto-graded questions or to generate new auto-grading questions. Select a file from your Google Drive or your OneDrive, or even something from the Kami library to begin. In your teacher account, you can scroll down in the Kami app to find tutorials. These topics link out to helpful how-to videos to further guide you in using Kami if you need help. Here are some examples of auto-graded questions created or converted using Kami's AI feature. These can include various question formats and automatically assign point values to save you time. To activate the Read Aloud feature for PDF documents, select Run Text Recognition. This processes the text in the file, making it accessible for Read Aloud functionality. In Settings, you can adjust the language as well. If you have enabled this feature control, students can select part of a text to explain key points or translate it into another language. You can also choose to have the text read aloud in either English or another language of choice. Next to the button for text recognition is Split and Merge. This is another very useful tool. With Split and Merge, you can actually combine PDF documents. You aren't limited to just one page. In Feature Control, select the tools that are just right for your students, displaying only the necessary options for a focused learning experience. Adjust the feature controls before assigning it to your students. You can assign different options for individual students. If enabled as an add-on, Kami assignments can be created directly from the Kami app or through Google Classroom by selecting Kami Assignment when creating a new assignment. A new, very helpful update to Kami is using Class View to see auto-graded answers and student performance insights. Filters help you sort the submissions by status, name, or last submitted date. You can quickly correct all the work for the assignments in this view. The Kami app enables you to differentiate your PDF classroom lessons so that every child can have access to the material. This saves you time and increases student learning. Now, many of these features are the paid features for Kami. There is a free version, so if you do not have access to the paid one, make sure that you check it out for the free features, because many of these features can still be useful to your students and help you engage your students in their learning. I am Jessica Stavenberg. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Have a great day.